Hindi tayo papayag na 7 or 5 lang pipiliin sa atin. Dapat lahat tayo malalaon. Kasi yun yung deserve natin, di ba? Pinaghirapan natin to.
Hindi lang namin in-expect na mangyayari to. Kung ano meron tayo ngayon sa loob lang ng 3 taon. Kung alam nyo lang yung pinaglaban nila for us, guys. Nung dumaan yung shutdown and pandemic, sino ba naman kami para i-stay ng management, di ba?
Congratulations, Bini, because you made history. This plaque is presented to Bini in recognition for being the first Filipino girl group to hold 3 outstanding sold out. Biniverse, the first solo concert on June 28, 29, and 30, 2024.
We made it!